Here we go. Gonna move them down. 2 pounds. Yay. 1 more pound till I get a water bottle. And then we're gonna cross out 249 and 248. Yay!
Alright guys, I'm getting on the scale. It's been about 2 weeks. Alright, so I'm about 5 pounds in 2 weeks.
Alright guys, today we're gonna be making some cauliflower buffalo bites. We're gonna be using some steamed cauliflower, some garlic powder, some Himalayan pink salt, and some Frank's Red Hots. And we're also gonna be making some spinach artichoke dip. So we have our chopped spinach here, some artichoke hearts, some cream cheese, mayonnaise, some Parmesan cheese, and then we also need sour cream, but this is a Hispanic house, Salvadorian sour cream. I also did forget to mention that the cauliflower buffalo bites are good for like low carb diets. They're vegan and they are vegetarian. The spinach artichoke dip is vegetarian, but it's not vegan because of the cheese, but you can replace it with like vegan cheese or cream cheese and stuff. I just wanted to mention, guys, that I don't really measure out my ingredients. I usually just eyeball them. I've always been taught by my mother to just eyeball my ingredients. But I will link down below in the description the recipes for both the spinach artichoke dip and the buffalo cauliflower bites. Okay guys, now we're gonna start our next dish, the cauliflower buffalo bites. Products. We got some celery, carrots, and our cauliflower buffalo bites with a little bit of ranch. And then we got our spinach artichoke dip with some pita chips. We actually bought the Parmesan basil pita chips, and it's only 11 grams of carbs for 6 crackers. So it's not too bad, but you could also find a little bit lower carb crackers to go with your spinach artichoke dip. Okay, let's go test them out. So these snacks are always good for football Sunday, so let's try them out.
Nosotros comamos. Really good.
Yeah.
Alright guys, post-workout meal. We just finished the workout, back day, did a little bit of arms. We came to the mall to do a little bit of shopping. We were going to Panda Express, but I was supposed to get double chicken teriyaki and white rice, but instead I got the new sesame honey chicken. This is my first time trying it. It looked really good, so I said why not. And then Adriana, of course, she's always strict on her diet. She got double teriyaki and super vegetables. Guys, so that just means that on my next couple of meals, I'm gonna have to kind of cut out some of the carbs. So maybe for dinner, I just won't have any rice or whatever we were gonna have. But like always, guys, you know, try and stay to your diet. And if you do have something you shouldn't, then that means your next couple of meals are gonna have to be a lot more strict, which is what I'm gonna do today. So stay tuned. All right, guys, low carb meal here: cauliflower rice with broccoli and cheese, and then just threw some meatballs on top. Most of the carbs comes from the meatballs just because they're made with breadcrumbs. But you're looking at about 20 carbs in total and about 25 grams of protein.
All right, guys, thanks for watching.
As always, make sure you comment, subscribe, and like.
Bye. We'll see you next time.